where I'm just like, yes! And then I'm like, everyone's watching. Are you filming? Or
yeah, I am.
Hi, Nerd Fighters! Yeah. I'm Amanda. I always comment on your videos because I'm lame like that. Mwah.
That's okay.
This is Josie.
Hi.
Hey, man. How you keeping cool? Swim it out. I love you. This is my baby. Yeah. My other baby. I am. That's my other baby.
Oh yay, I get to be a baby.
Serena. This is our new daughter from China. Say it with me, China.
Don't be depressed and wait for
I got braces and like cut up on my hair. I look like a fucking like sophomore forever. Even though I'm a junior, I.
Come here, wifey. I love you. This is my wifey. That's our kid. The other one is running the camera. This is my second wifey.
You're a Mormon?
I'm a lesbian polygamist. There's a difference. And that's how we rock out.
Why am I giving this to Chelsea? Why am I giving it to Chelsea?
I don't see her.
Why would I see Chelsea? She's in my history class!
Yay!
I have history next. I don't mind, I like my history class.
I did no homework this weekend. Jacobs and Edelman are gonna fuck me up.
Okay, Jacob sucks and Edelman is like a bitch, but I love her.
I respect Jacobs because I had McDougal and I didn't learn anything.
Oh, McDougal's a douche cunt. He's like the epitome of douche cunt.
I hate him, but now that I don't have him,
I can't post this on the internet anymore.
That's okay.
Because I just called like, well, I could, but it's
cut it, put it on.
But I called McDougal a douche cunt on camera. That's not cool.
Yeah, well, he sang The Little Mermaid onto Luke Eisman's cell phone.
Really?
Oh yeah, and this is what he does. He goes, "Wouldn't you think I'm a girl?" And we're like, yes, yes, McDougal, yes.